Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic under stack. It is actually one of the important problem. It is converting infix to postfix. First of all, you need to know what is infix. Infix is nothing but whatever you write in a normal mathematical equation that we understand. Like for example, let me take two variable like x and y. So if you write x plus y that is infix. So it is normal mathematical equation. For what is the prefix of x plus y? That is nothing but plus xy. Then what is the postfix? That is xy plus. Pre means, see, the operator should be behind, right, behind the operands. So it should come before operand. That is why we call it as prefix. Postfix means the operator must comes after operands. That is what called as the postfix. And in order to solve bigger example, like imagine I have some complex expression. Let me take that expression as a plus b multiplied by x. So this is my expression. What will be the infix of that? Before that, you need to know precedence. Precedence means for given expression, for which operator, that is for which operator you are going to give much preference to it. Like the plus and minus will have lowest precedence. That means your priority that you are going to give for this plus and minus will be less than priority that you give for multiplication and division. And for the preference that you are going to give for multiplication and division is less than for the power. So whenever you find plus and minus, you should give much. You should solve that operation first. For example, in this example, here we have multiplication. So you need to solve a and x first. After that, you need to go for a and other, again the result. So, and these three will be associate. What is the associative of this a plus minus? It is left to right. That means let me explain how it works. So plus left to right, for all of these three left, we need to take left to right. Imagine I have expression like a plus b minus x. So which one you are going to solve, plus or minus? Since both has same precedence, right? Which you are going to solve? You are going to solve first one. So left will be solved first. After that, you will go to the right. So this is how this becomes important. So let me take again the previous expression. So when it is given like this, what will be? This is infix, right? Infix is nothing but a plus b star x. Now what will be the prefix? Prefix is nothing but what you need to do is you take a plus b, then multiplied by x. So you need to put bracket first. You put the bracket for the x operation that you need to solve first. Okay, you have made a bracket. Then what you need to do is make that expression as prefix. That means star bx, right? So I made I made I first use it this bracket. I first added bracket, then what I did was I made it as a prefix expression. So first you need to put bracket, then make it as a prefix, then again make again what you are going to solve next. Obviously the positive, that the next expression is this one you are going to solve, that is the positive you need to solve. This plus has to be solved. For that, what I do is plus a star bx. So this is my prefix expression, right? This is my prefix expression, because see this a will be taken as one operand, and star bx, that is multiplication symbol, and bx will be taken as another operand, and we are considering this two as operand. Then I will add plus here, then I will write these two operand. That is how it works. So let me write postfix for this. Postfix is nothing, postfix for a plus b star x. So for that, it is again just similar to what we did for prefix, but this time what I do is I will take a plus b. Again you put the bracket for the one which you need to solve. Then what you do is bx, and obviously as expected you need to do like this. Then a bx star, then at last you need to add plus. So if you consider this as one operand, this as one operand, then you need to put this together and add this operator at last. So this is how it works. So this is one of the topic I needed to tell. And the next topic is about the HTL. HTL topic I need to tell because by using HTL I'm going to solve this problem, because it is very hectic to write all the nodes created manually, and these things can be done easily by using standard template library. There we have a library called as stack library. What you need to do is just include it, include stack stack. After that, what I'm going to do is, imagine I have I will write a simple code so that you can understand how it works. Okay, now I have stack. Now now I will take IO strem stream, then using namespace std. Okay, after that, what I'm going to do? What I'm going to do is I will write int main, in main. Then I need to create stack. How to create stack? You don't need to create any node or anything like that. What you do is stack stack, then int, then yes. So I created a stack with a name yes. So how do you push any element into this stack? It is so much easy. Yes dot push push 10. Okay, that is how it works. So if you display yes, if you want to display, then I will show you first. First, let me push some more elements like 20. After that, so I push, see how stack will look like. So now stack will be looking like, first I have put a 10. After that, on top of it, I have given 20. So how to pop this element? So again, it is so much simple. You don't need to write anything at all. If you know HTML, please skip it. Skip this video and go to the directly where I converted infix to postfix. So then yes dot pop. Then if I give this one, this 20 will be popped out. That is how it works. It will immediately will be popped out. That is how it works. And imagine I need to print which is at the top. Now imagine I have removed this one, and again I will add some, again 20 I will add like s dot push push. I will add 30 into it. Okay, now I have 10 and 20 right in my stack. I have 10 and 20 in my stack. So I will write 30 here. So now my stack will be looking like this. One will be 10 and other will be 30. So this is how stack is. Now what you do is, if stack is not empty, that means stack isn't empty, empty, that's it. It will give, see, s dot empty will give you boolean value, true or false. S dot empty, if stack is empty, then it will give me true. So I need to check if it is not empty. For that I need to use this operator. So if it is not empty, what you do, just what you do is, you need to print out the element, right, which is at the top. So yes dot top I will give, that's it. If I do this, the element which is at the top will be printed. So that element is 30. So I will be printing 30. After that, what that is how this stack in broader way I have explained you all the operation that you can do using this stack. Then how to print all the elements? That is easy. You just pop out and print out all the s dot top elements. That's it. That is how stack will work. And this is most like, if you know HTML, that is so much good. And you need to learn HTML. You go to YouTube, and there are many creators that have made the videos on HTML. So please complete that. That will be so much easy for you to compete in some coding competitions, and you can solve any problem like HTML for maps, for stacks, queues, sets, and linked list, and these are very much important. So again, let us go how to convert this. So I know how to convert infix to, this is infix expression. I know how to convert to postfix, but how to do in computer? So imagine I have an expression. So expression goes like this. Imagine I have a, then then b, then multiplied by c, then I have imagine I have like d. So this is my expression. So how to convert into this is infix, right? This is infix. So infix, let me type it so it will be much more easier to understand. So the expression that I am dealing with is with that expression is, I will write, this is infix expression is a plus b like multiplied by c, then plus again I will take minus, then I will give d, then again I will take plus e. So I think all the conditions I can satisfy by using this expression. So let me take this expression. So by manually I will do the postfix of this. So and I will show you after that how it will work in coding, in how to code that one. So infix, so that is so much easy. A plus I will do b, since star has having more precedence, I will do a bc star. After that minus d plus e, okay. After that L to left to right associative I should go. So I will take a b c star, then plus I will take and I will do minus d plus e. Okay, after that I need to compute this minus, right? I need to compute this minus. For that what I do is a b c, then star, plus will be normally there, then d I am going to give, then I am going to add minus. So I have still have plus here. So this in this step what I did is I computed for multiplication. Here for addition I have computed, then here I have done for subtraction. Now addition, let me do it again. So the result, final result will be a b c star plus d minus e, then plus I need to add at last. This is how the postfix will work. So in computer how to do it? So it is so much easier. See, I will take what I need is, first I will tell you, I need a stack. I need a, let me take it as a, I need a string. I need one string. Then because this expression, this is a string type. So in coding, what I am going to give this infix as a string. So there should be resultant string, right? This should be string, right? Again, output should be string, right? That is the postfix. So I will take the string as a result. Imagine I took it as a result. Then again, I need a stack. Obviously, I need a stack. Let me take it as yes. So let me take 3 columns. Then what we have, the expression is, see, orderly you need to send all the characters. So this is the condition of stack here. This is what the condition of stack, and this is what the condition of result, that is a string, how it looks like. So in this result I need to get the output at last. So my expression is this one. So my expression, just copy this thing and I will bring this one here. So my expression is, pre-infix expression is this one. So I need to, first what I do is I will extend this one here. Okay, now see, what is the first character? A. Okay, I'm considering a character. Now what is the condition of stack here? Stack, see, what you will push in stack is so much important. You will push only operators. Operators means what? Plus, minus, multiplication, addition, the power operator, everything. These operators are, they and the bracket, they move out, in and out of this stack. What is about what will result stores, right? Initially I'm talking result should have plus, minus and all of these things, but initially you should push operands, that is a, b, c. These should be pushed in, that will be pushed back to result. So a is in what? It is a operand. So I am writing here. So then we have positive, okay, plus I have. So what will stack look like? Stack will have plus, right? It will have plus. I am going to push into stack. Then I have b. I have bracket actually. So if you have open bracket, then simply push it. There is no precedence for this open and close bracket. Simply push that bracket, that is a character, that bracket character, opening, I am talking about opening. You are not going to push closing bracket, that I am going to discuss now. So opening bracket should be put it in, pushed into stack. Again, what is the result now? It is still A, right? It is still A. Then what? B. Let me write whatever I have. This is actually bracket. Please don't forget. This is not C. Then I have C. So let me write all the characters that I have here. So I have bracket, then minus, then D, right? Okay, I have D. Sorry. Then I have plus. Then I have E. So let me extend this one here. So now what? Now I have B. So B means what? It is a operand. So I'm going to push back into result. Okay, then star. Now you come here. You see the bracket. If you see the bracket, you don't need to compare anything. Like I'm going to see whenever an operand will come into stack, right? One, that is operator will come into stack, right? If that precedence is greater than the stack top, that means imagine I have to put star here, like I think I needed to okay, see, I will explain you one thing here. I have forgotten, I think. Okay, for stack, how it works is, in stack you will load plus, right? You will add plus, then you need it to in a string, in the input string there will be next character will be star. So star means what? Operator. So you need to push into this stack, right? Before that you need to look what is there in stack. It is stack top. What is there in stack? It is plus. So what is the precedence of plus and star? Check whether the precedence of star is greater than plus. So this is an input string, right? Input string. This character is from input string. So whenever you need to push that character into stack, you need to check the precedence of this star and compare it with the plus. If it is greater than plus, then only you need to push. You need to push. Then imagine now I have a stack like this. Then I need to push minus. You need to compare star, that is, it is at the stack top, right? Star is top at here, star is top. So compare star and minus. So minus is actually having less precedence than star. What you need to do? You need to pop the star. You don't because minus has less precedence than star. So pop it. Where you are going to pop it? You are popping it into string. That is output string. Here you will have output string, right? You need to push back this star. Okay, you had pushed back because minus has less precedence. So your stack will be plus, right? Again, you need to compare. It is not yet over. You don't know what is there behind. Maybe if it is division, then also you should be pushing back, right? You should push back. You should remove the stack top until you will have, like, again let me explain you again with this example itself. Now I need to push back, push negative inside this stack, right? So since star, the stack top has more precedence than negative, I need to pop this star out and I need to push it into string. Again, now I have positive. What is the precedence of negative as compared to positive? It is same. So then also you pop this positive. You don't need this one. You should only push the operator, that is into stack, only if its precedence is more. If it is less than that and equal to that, then you need to pop this other operator. So let me explain. And if it is bracket, you don't need to consider the operator that are behind. So you need to consider this as a new stack, right? That is how it will work. So let me show you. Now I need to push what? Star. Okay, don't compare anything behind, because there is a bracket behind that bracket. Don't forget about it now. So the array is still AB. Okay, then what you have? C. So again C is nothing but you need to push it into what? into string, right? ABC. Okay, then you have closing bracket. Whenever you find closing bracket, you simply pop all the elements into string. That's it, orderly. If it is, if example, if you had like this, imagine like plus star inside this bracket, you need to pop one by one into this string. So that is how it works. Now what we have, now closing bracket is there, this is closing bracket. So you need to pop all the operator within this opening bracket into string. So what I do is, I will, and you need to pop this bracket also, but not to string, simply you pop it. Don't need this bracket inside this expression, right? Now what will happen, A, B, C star will be there, and my stack will be having only plus. So now we have minus, so we need to pop it into push it into stack. But compare this plus and minus, it is equal, so pop. Where you will pop, you will pop into string, right? You will pop into string. Let me take this much more higher. Okay, now what I do is, I need to pop A plus into this string, right? I need to pop. So what I do is, A plus A B C star, then plus, then again you check, since stack is empty, you simply push minus. Then what you have, D. So D means it is nothing but A B C star plus D. Okay, then you have plus. So compare plus and this minus. So what is that? It is same. So you need to pop. So when you pop, you will be, when you pop, what will happen? When you will pop this negative, then you will have empty thing, right? So let me write this here. You will have A. So this is our line. I'm just putting the line. Okay, now what will be in string? Since I have popped minus, this is multiplication, this is plus, this is D, and this is negative, and it will have only plus, right? It will pop and it will sit at its place. Then we have what? We have, what is this? This is E. So E should be simply pushed into string. So I am pushing this into string. So I will get like this. Then what we have? Then we have nothing. So this is nothing. So this is our what? Postfix. This is our postfix. So what was the postfix expression that we got? That is A plus B. A B C. Right? A B C star plus D minus E again. Why you are getting plus here? Let us see. We have missed something, I think. So here D E. So okay. This last step I forgot to tell you that. See, whenever you need to again check the stack, you will check the stack. Stack is not empty. Means stack has some elements, right? You need to push that remaining all other elements. Imagine I had star like this. So you need to push all the pop all these elements from stack and push it into string, right? Now I don't have negative, so I have only plus, so I will push there. So what I get is ABC star plus D minus E plus. That's it. That is what our result, right? This is what the result is. So coding part, now this will be discussed in the next video, because it is getting so much long, and even coding part will become much more longer, because it is not a simple code. Yeah, it is simple to understand since you already know this one. So to type in, it will take time. So I am telling it is simple, but it is long. So thank you.